Cabango yn clirio, ond dim ond cyn belled a Ceri Morgan. Tu fewn at Thomas, Thomas at Walters. Walters mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Harry drwy'r chwith! A'r ergyd yn syth at Harrison. Dyna chi arwydd o berygl Caerfyrddin. Aaron Edwards, un o 4 newid o'r tîm gollodd yn y Met wythnos diwetha. Rhediad o ganol cael gan Routledge yn un da. Croesiad y postyn pella. Mae'n cael ei ffeinio nôl ac mae mewn! A Jamie Mullen sy'n rhwydo y camgymeriad yn un elfennol gan Tyrrell Webb. Y croesiad yn creu ansicrwydd yn yr amddiffyn. Camgymeriad Webb a Mullen sydd yn rhwydo. Edwards, mi o sbarc a chyflymdra'n chwarae'r Seintiau yn yr ail hanner, a dyma'r sgoriwr. Mullen, heibio i Webb, croesi'n beryglis, dyma Draper! A cyffyrddiad lleia ar ei dalcen, ychydig heibio'r postyn. Hanner ffordd trwy'r ail hanner, y bêl hir gan Spender tuag at Draper. Draper ar ei drod chwith o arbediad rhagorol gan Lee Idzi. Draper yn cael hunan rhwng yr amddiffynwyr ar ei drod chwith. Yr ergyd yn un dda, a Idzi ar arbediad yn wych. Caerfyrddin yn gwasgu ar y Seintiau sy'n gorfodi Paul Harrison i'w chicio un hir. Draper yn dod yn ddwfwn, a'r bas yn ôl at Harrison. Harrison yn clirio dros hanner ffordd. Baldwin, dan bwysau, Draper i mewn, Draper yn erbyn Idzi, a mae Draper yn sgorio i 7fed gol o'r tymor. Camgymeriad yn yr amddiffyn yn caniatáu rhediad yn union syth am gol i Greg Draper, a prif sgoriwr uwch gyngrair Cymru yn sgorio i'r Seintiau. Holland. Camgymeriad gan Liam Thomas, Spender mewn i'r cwrt Cosby, parhau i fynd Simon Spender yn taro'r postyn. Chislovich, pas dda. A bas ymlaen at Byrne, Byrne, heibio i Idzi ac i gefn y rhwyd. Ac mae'r drydydd gol yn greulon ar Gaerfyrddin. Bas hyfryd o ganol ca i lwybr Curtis Byrne. A Byrne yn rhwydo heibio i Idzi. 2 gol, 3 phwynt. Scott, 3 goals, 3 points and a clean sheet. You must be really pleased with that second half performance.
Yeah, first half was, just as sort of pleasing really. It was one where we got to make sure that we keep moving the ball side to side. We've got to find the gaps, got to find the openings. Don't get frustrated. And as I said, second half you'll get one, and then the game will open up. They will have to come out and try and combat our play or whatever and get a goal. So yes, it's been a good end to the week. It wasn't a good start to the week, I've got to be honest. Wednesday was good as well. League Cup, we changed the team about and give some of our younger players minutes, and it was good to get through into those next rounds of that cup. And today, always nice to get 3 points again.
Neil, the first home defeat of the season, but looking back on it, it was quite an effective, particularly first half defensive performance.
Yeah, obviously we planned on what we were going to do. I thought we carried it out well in the first half. We discussed a couple of little tweaks in the second half. But unfortunately, we've gifted a couple of goals which we can't afford to do at this level, and we've paid the price for it.
How important was it to bounce back after that defeat last Sunday?
Very important, very important. It's on Scorio again. People are watching the game. We were disappointing. I said after the game I was very disappointed because it wasn't how we planned to play. We'd set up all week, we'd done our work, we'd had a really good week of training. We didn't take anything lightly. If it looked like that, then so be it. Sometimes it does. But make no bones about it, we prepared properly, and they were decent last week. Cardiff Met, they matched us all over the pitch, and it was a bit like that they wanted a little bit more than us. And we've questioned the players and said, you've got to step up to the mark. Everyone wants to beat you. Everyone wants to be top of the table. And thankfully tonight we are top of the table, even for a night.
You've played now the New Saints home and away and Connah's Quay away. They're good games to get out of the way.
Yeah, I'm still a little bit confused how the fixtures work. I'm not sure how it works that we play them twice, and I know you say you get them out of the way, but momentum is a big thing in this league. So playing them twice gets them out of the way, but it isn't necessarily a good thing.